Hello and welcome to episode 19 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We were supposed to move into the basement, not this weekend, but the weekend before. We had a little bit of a snafu and I'm getting ready to show you why that is. But in the meantime, let's start with how great this rec room is looking. It is painted, everything. The ceiling fans are in, the lights are in, the lines are in, walls and trim, everything's painted. This room is ready to go. The reason we have not moved in down here, you see some of that flooring that's been pulled up over there? We've had some flooding issues down here in the basement. Fun times. The first flooding issue, almost the entire rec room right here had about half an inch of water that came in through the front. We had some gutters put in, new gutters put in, and we have to have the wall waterproof on the front of the house. So that will be done very soon, hopefully. And I'll go in and show you the kitchen. This is fun stuff, let me tell you. This is where the action is. All right. So the next flooding issue that we had, first of all, let's look at these countertops. Aren't they beautiful? They were installed, they look great. Had the bar stools put in, and then the flooding issues happened. So we had the dehumidifiers going, the fans going. What happened in the next flooding issue was that the water got underneath the flooring between the concrete, so had to tear that up and set up these dehumidifiers to get all the water out. Fun times, people, fun times. But look at this kitchen. Oh my God. We just have to do the backsplash, and then the kitchen will be done. Well, replace the flooring, do the backsplash, and then the kitchen will be done. I'm working on the bathroom here. This is getting really, really close. So we have the flooring. This is usable. Well, it's messy, but it's usable. And then my husband is working on the tiling of the tub right here. So that's what he's going to do as soon as I'm done with this video. I'll show you what's going on upstairs. You can hear me through all this noise. I love these countertops. Love, love, love. So let's go upstairs. The weather is beautiful outside. It's like 70 degrees, low humidity, gorgeous, sun. So we're walking up here to the master bathroom to show you the updates with the tiling and everything. It's really starting to come together. And the granite people came to measure out for the countertops. So we have the cabinets in there. And bam, not totally done, you still got to do some grouting, but all the tiling is done in the shower, and yeah, so that is looking really good. Like that bench. And then I'll show you, oh, so the flooring, it's like a slate that's going to be put in here. It's like a dark gray, so that will be put down, I believe, this coming week. I'll show you the flooring in the other bathroom that will be put down as well. Looks like he got a little bit of a start on it, and that's a light gray, so that'll look really good. That's it. Stay tuned. Hopefully we won't have any more snafus that will hold us back from moving down into the basement and moving forward, because once we move into the basement, we'll start tearing through here so that we can connect the addition with the main floor. So see you next time.